In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up someone's commerce profile on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're an avid shopper, a curious seller, or just someone who loves exploring online platforms, knowing how to navigate Facebook Marketplace can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that you're logged in to your Facebook account. Once you're all set, head over to the main Facebook homepage. You can easily get there by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Facebook's URL, or by using the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, your next step is to locate the marketplace icon. This is usually found on the left-hand menu on your desktop or at the bottom of your screen if you're on a mobile device. Click it and you'll be transported into the bustling world of the Facebook Marketplace. Now, let's move on to finding the products that interest you. Browse through the countless listings by using the search bar at the top to find specific items, or simply scroll through your feed to see what's trending. Once you've found an item that catches your eye, click on it. This will lead you to a detailed page about the product filled with useful information, images, and the all-important seller details. Right now, you're just a click away from accessing these details, so go ahead and click on Seller Details. Here you'll be redirected to the seller's commerce profile where you can learn more about them, their ratings from previous buyers, and other items they have for sale. It's a great way to gauge reliability before proceeding with any transaction. Alright, you've now reached the seller's profile, gaining insights into who you might be buying from. But let's say you're already in a conversation with the seller about a potential purchase and you'd like to refer back to it. Simply navigate back to the Facebook homepage and click on the Marketplace icon again to open up your Marketplace inbox. Here, you'll find a list of all your ongoing conversations. Click on the one that corresponds to the item you're interested in, and there you can review all past interactions, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Lastly, you might notice certain highlights or notifications in your inbox. Clicking on these can lead you to special offers or newly listed items by sellers you've interacted with before. These insights can prove beneficial if you're on the hunt for the hottest deals. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to look up someone's commerce profile on Facebook Marketplace, explore seller details, and even manage your conversations. I hope this guide empowers you with confidence when navigating the platform. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.